In a competitive market, specialized cleaning services can set your business apart. Instead of sticking to basic cleaning packages, tap into niche markets that allow you to charge premium rates and attract high-paying clients. Specialized services cater to unique needs, giving you a competitive edge and higher profits. 1. Tap into lucrative niche markets. Friendly cleaning appeals to clients who value expertise. These niche markets are less specialized cleaning, like deep cleaning, carpet cleaning, post-construction cleaning, or eco-saturated, so you face less competition and can command higher prices. For example, Post 4. Similarly, eco-conscious clients seek green cleaning services with certified products. By construction cleaning requires detailed work that builders and homeowners are willing to pay. Offering these, you create a unique identity in the industry. 2. Charge premium rates for expertise. Specialized services demand advanced techniques and tools, justifying premium pricing. Technical knowledge and special equipment. Be transparent about the value you provide. Services like commercial carpet cleaning, pressure washing, or industrial cleaning highlight your expertise, specialized tools, and the quality of results. 3. Attract long-term clients. Tailored cleaning to meet industry standards. By providing these services, you can secure long-term contracts for reliable income. Regular eco-friendly cleaning for homeowners or businesses like restaurants, medical facilities, and commercial properties need consistent, ongoing floor maintenance. For businesses, creates repeat business and steady revenue. 4. Differentiate your business. Cleaning. Few specialize. Being known for services like post-construction cleaning or green standing out is crucial in the crowded cleaning industry. While many companies offer general cleaning, makes you the first choice for clients with specific needs. This differentiation lets you focus on value rather than competing on price. 5. Build expertise and reputation. Specialization helps you develop expertise, leading to a strong reputation in your niche. Referrals become invaluable. Certifications in areas like green or industrial cleaning boost clients seeking specialized services. Trust providers with proven results, and word-of-mouth your credibility and attract more clients. 6. Reduce competition and increase demand. Fewer businesses invest in the tools and expertise needed for niche cleaning services, reducing competition. Specialized services attract discerning clients who are willing to pay more for quality, leading to loyal, long-term customers and steady demand. Conclusion. Specialized cleaning services boost profits, attract long-term clients, and differentiate your business. By focusing on niche markets, you can charge premium rates and build a loyal customer base. Start implementing these strategies today to grow your business. At 7 Vinology, we've been generating cleaning contracts for our partners in the USA, Canada, Australia, and the UK since 2012. Let us help you build your portfolio behind the scenes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you next time.